We turn now to the historic Senate confirmation hearings for Supreme Court nominee Ketanji Brown Jackson. Judge Jackson forcefully defended her record as a federal judge and public defender today as she faced intense questioning. CBS's chief legal correspondent Jan Crawford has more from Capitol Hill.
My judicial philosophy is to rule impartially and to rule consistent with the limitations on my authority as a judge.
So you wouldn't say that you're an activist judge?
I would not say that.
On the first day of questioning, senators focused on how Judge Ketanji Brown Jackson would rule as a justice.
What do you say to people who say you're soft on crime or even anti-law enforcement?
As someone who has had family members on patrol and in the line of fire, I care deeply about public safety.
Democratic Judiciary Committee Chair Dick Durbin opened the day with questions from the Republican playbook, giving Jackson a chance to preempt expected lines of attack, including allegations as a judge she was lenient in sentencing child pornography offenders.
As a mother and a judge who has had to deal with these cases, I was thinking that nothing could be further from the truth.
That was a preview of one of the day's testier exchanges with Senator Ted Cruz, a Harvard Law School classmate.
Do you believe the voice of the children is heard?
Yes, Senator, I do.
Could you explain how?
Your chart does not include all of the factors that Congress has told judges to consider.
Two major law enforcement organizations have endorsed Jackson, and even some opponents have called similar attacks baseless.
In every case, I did my duty to hold the defendants accountable in light of the evidence and the information that was presented to me.
Republicans also focused on her representation of detainees at Guantanamo and whether she would consider race in her decisions. Democrats answered back to defend her and asked Jackson why her historic nomination matters.
One of the things that having diverse members of the court does is it provides for the opportunity for role models.
Now, Jackson will have another full day of questioning tomorrow, but so far these hearings have been pretty tame, just not a lot for Republicans to work with. President Biden watched some of her testimony this morning, and the White House told us he thought she did well. Jerika?
Jan Crawford for us, thank you.